Hello everyone, today we are going to solve a binary tree question using SQL. This is one of the most advanced questions asked during data science interviews. So before we start, I hope you have a basic understanding of what binary trees are. If not, it will be great if you can refer to some videos so that you have a basic understanding before you solve this question. It is actually, it's like a tree-like data structure which organizes data in such a way that it gets easier for us to perform operations like searching, finding minimum element, maximum element, and all these operations. So before we start the question, I would like to show you a visual representation of how our binary tree looks. So this is a binary tree. On this we are going to perform a SQL query. So before we start the question, I want you to get familiar with three words, that is root, inner, and leaf. So root node is the node which is the parent node. That is, if you see 10 here should be the root node, because this is from where our tree is starting and then it is moving downwards. So this is our root node. Then the nodes that are at the end of the tree are called the leaf nodes. So these nodes 12, 25, and 2, these should be the leaf nodes. And the inner nodes, the inner part, is obviously called the inner node. So you should be familiar with these three words, that is root, inner, and leaf. Alright. So let's see what is the question on what we have to write our query. Alright. So we have this table. A table is given to us wherein we have two attributes, that is n and p, where n is the value of the node and p is the parent of n. So this is our table if you see. Uh, for example, if I can explain you in a better way, for example, we have value n and its parent is 8. So if you remember the binary tree that we saw, so the value is 8 and the parent is 10. If the value is 5, the parent is 8. So these two n and p values are being given to us in the question. Now what they are asking is to find the node type of the binary tree ordered by the value of node. So we need to find that if, without looking at the tree, we need to find that if this n is root, leaf, or inner, how we can do that with the help of this p value. So if they have given us both n and p values, we just need to classify them into root, inner, and leaf, and now you know what is root, inner, and leaf. So without wasting any time, let us just directly start solving the question. You will get it once we go step by step into the question. So for that, first I'm just going to write select n. This is the field that I will display in my output from nodes, and I'm giving this a temporary name, alias name as say d. Okay, so I'm selecting n from our table nodes and I'm giving it a temporary name b. Now here we'll write the main query to find out if our value is root, inner, or leaf. This is going to be a little different in comparison to the previous questions that we have solved. Here we are going to use the if function in SQL. It is very much similar to one that we use in other programming languages, like our very own if-else clauses, if you know other programming languages. So let us see how we can solve this question using the if clause. What we are going to do is I'll write if, and we'll write if p, the value of p, is null, then obviously it is the root value, because if the parent value is null, that definitely means it's the root of the tree, right? So if you see here, 10 has been given the value null, that means it doesn't have a parent node, that means it itself is the parent node and it is the root. So if p is null, simply print root. Okay, so our first part is solved, that we got the root part. Now we need to identify inner and leaf nodes. So what we are going to do is we'll write another if clause within this, which will say that select, here we are going to use the count function, and I am going to use count star actually, so that all the values are included, from select count from nodes. Now our condition where p is equal to b dot n. To avoid any confusion, I'm writing that I'm picking this n value from our nodes table, so I've written b dot n. This b dot n should be greater than 0. Alright, if that is true, then it should show that the node is inner. Otherwise, it should show that it is a leaf node. Okay, that is what we need to identify. So what I'm trying to say is that if node value, that is n, appears in P, then obviously number of P that equals to the node value will be greater than 0, right? So this is what I have written in this particular equation, and if that is true, it is the inner node. If not, else it is the leaf node, right? So this should be our condition to find out the values. Now also see, the question is asking that the binary tree ordered by the value of nodes. So we need to order by n also at last. Value of nodes is n, right? So we need to order by n also in the last. So let us first run this and I'll break this down again for you. Right. So we got our respected values, that if n is 2, that is a leaf node, 5 is also a leaf node, 8 is inner, 10 is root. Now I need to change the column name. So here before from, I can maybe name this column as classify. Okay, let me just run this. Right, so we have easily find out that how can we classify our nodes into leaf, inner and root. One more thing that I would like to show you here is that instead of this count function, to make it more easier for you, what you can do is in this if clause, here, right, so in this if clause you can also write that this b dot n should be in the P column, right? So for that, b dot n in select P from nodes. All right. So this could also be one of the condition that we can use. All we need to understand is that if b and p are equal, that means they will be the inner node. Otherwise, it will give us the leaf node. Okay. So let us run this. To summarize this, okay, there's a little problem in here. I think we are missing some syntax. Let me just we'll use the count function. Select P from nodes, right? This is how it should be. Yeah, so we got our answers. So instead of using the count function, you can directly just use this b should be in the P column. If that is true, give us inner node, otherwise it gives us leaf node. So to summarize it, if the node value appears in column P, it will be inner, otherwise it will be leaf. Or according to the previous query, you can say if node value appears in P, then obviously number of P that equals to the node value will be greater than 0, right? So this is how you can identify if your n value is root, inner or leaf. So this is one of the questions which is asked in a lot of data science interviews, like if you go to the advanced level. So if you're given any binary tree for that matter, and they are asking you to classify them into root, inner or leaf, this is the very simple query that you can use. You're just using the if function here, directly writing root if the value is p is null, the value of parent is null. Otherwise we are writing this particular if clause. Alright, so where we'll be coming up with more questions like this. Till then, keep on practicing and have a good day.